My name is Ferdinand Betanyai Sonyai. Today is World Food Safety Day. The theme for this year, 2025, is Food Safety, Science in Action. We all eat every day. It doesn't matter who we are, we all eat. But according to the World Health Organization, 1.6 million people contract disease conditions every single day because of food. Therefore, the importance of the safety of the food we eat cannot be overemphasized. At the Reconciliation and Development Association, one of the key areas we work on is to support people to be able to eat healthily. There are more than 4 key nutrients of health concern that we work on at the Reconciliation and Development Association, namely sugars, salt, fats, trans fatty acids, and calories. These 4 particular nutrients are of health concern because when consumed in higher than recommended amounts, it has been proven to be associated with chronic disease conditions, including diabetes, obesity, overweight, cancers, and more. On this World Food Safety Day, we have key messages that are related to our work that we want to call on the government, we want to call on producers, and we want to call on consumers to take note of. First, to the government. We want the government to take its role and its place in the lives of the people and pass laws, legislation, regulations that take care of the population in terms of food safety and restriction of access to unhealthy food products. Some of these kind of population-based measures include front of package warning labels that are easy to read, contextual, and can make customers and consumers be able to know what they are consuming before they consume. It is the right of the consumer to know what they are consuming. It is the responsibility of government to regulate and to protect the consumers. The government also has to protect consumers from advertising, to restrict advertising that advertises food products that are unhealthy, especially targeting children. Our next message goes to producers. People before profits. That is our call. We know that businesses are meant for profit. But because of the association between some products and the health of the people, we are calling on producers, manufacturers to think people first before profits and reformulate their products, especially products that have higher than World Health Organization recommended amounts of salt, sugar, fats, and calories. To the consumers, to the population, we're inviting you to read the labels on food products before you buy and consume. Know what you eat and eat what you know. We're calling on consumers to join us in the continuous request, expectation, demand for the government to pass laws that will regulate producers in terms of their advertisements and also in terms of what they produce, to make sure that they go by the national norms and standards, including those that are now mandatory. We call on the consumers, on the population, to look very carefully at the products that they buy and consume, to make sure that the food they consume is safe. To conclude, we want to invite the scientific community. The scientific community holds the key to making sure that the government is able to have the right information about what kind of products, food products, are being consumed in the population, whether they are truly associated with disease conditions, what new disease conditions food products might be associated with, and whether these products are safe for consumption. The monitoring of the work of industry is supposed to be upheld by science. We in the scientific community, the public health community, we in the science community in general, we have to make sure that we provide all the science and the evidence that is needed. Avoid fake science and focus on evidence generation that is useful for evidence-based policy making by the government. Thank you.